इस वीडियो में हम बैच वाइज प्रॉफिट देखेंगे, कैसे वो कैलकुलेट कर देता है SQL कोडिंग से। ये हम देख सकते हैं इस वीडियो में। यहाँ क्या किया है, मुझे तो ये तो पूछा गया था कि बैच वाइज प्रॉफिट चाहिए। जब सेल्स होता है ना वो वोचर पे, तब हर वोचर में वो एक्चुअली मिसलेनियस रिपोर्ट में मिलता है, लेकिन पार्टी को ऐसा नहीं, सेल्स वोचर में वो होना था। इसीलिए क्या किया है, 24, अब फाइनेंशियल ईयर तो 24 से, इसीलिए पार्टी ने क्या किया, मुझे एक व्हाट्सएप पे रिक्वेस्ट भेजा कि मुझे बैच वाइज सेल्स में जब होता है ना तब प्रॉफिट दिखा दीजिए। अब उसके लिए क्या किया है, यहाँ पे मैंने अब एक नया कंपनी क्रिएट हो रहा है। जो ओपनिंग स्टॉक था उसका वो पूछा नहीं है, सिर्फ जो सेल करने का टाइम में जो बैच सेल होता है ना उसका प्रॉफिट। अगर बैच अलग हो गया तो उसका प्रॉफिट नहीं दिखा देता है, जो अंदर आते हैं ना उसी बैच का प्रॉफिट चाहिए। अब इतना तो हो रहा है, अब कंपनी तो क्रिएट होके आ रहा है, हो गया कंपनी। मैं पासवर्ड तो नहीं लेता हूं यहाँ पे, ठीक है। अभी यहाँ इन्वेंट्री पे आके बैच वाइज यहाँ मैं मंथ एंड ईयर फॉर्मेट में लेता हूँ। यहाँ भी नीचे मंथ एंड ईयर, एक्सपायरी डेट मंथ एंड ईयर फॉर्मेट में लेता हूँ, या अर्ली एक्सपायरी डेट एक 30 डेज आप रख सकता है। यहाँ see, I want to see show zero, I want to show pending batches till date. That I want to show pending batches till date. Now I'm going to create item masters. So as a demo, here he requested only, he wanted to see what is the profit that is earned when you have done a sale of a particular batch. See, this is rear axle Tata 1312 KAP. KAP का मतलब Kerala Automotive Products, because that is the name of the company. Here it group, I have pressed F3 here, rear axles, ये प्राइमरी ग्रुप है। अब टैक्स कैटेगरी यहाँ पे होता है, सी नाउ टैक्स कैटेगरी कम्स अंडर 18%. So unit is pieces, or you can take numbers. So I have modified that rear axle to, I don't want to take a particular company as a demo, just I want to show him some demo. That see, I have declared we have an opening stock of 6 pieces and the value comes to be, I have pressed F10. After pressing F10 now, see the value comes to be, I'm thinking I don't know value, so that value, no value in text box, okay. So that value comes to be 2950 into 6 divided by 1.18, that is taxable amount. The taxable amount is 15,000. Now sales price 3,175. Actually that axle is not that costly. It is not 3516 axle or Signa axle. It's a little bit cheaper. So here batch, I have selected manual numbering. Batch mode, batch number, it is manual mode, KRZ 1478 slash P21. So any number or any alphabet. So soon after that I'm going to add a purchase voucher. It's a purchase invoice date. So 4/1, just press enter. If you enter 4/1/24, voucher range out of date, okay. So I'm going to re-add purchase voucher 1/4/2024, 1/4/2025. It's okay. No, 24 it's not taking, it's out of range. 4/1/25, it's okay. For the time being it's okay. PURC 01 Here I'm going to select local itemize. See, I have pressed F3. Now I'm going to add a supplier name, Bombay Auto, but just you can add corporation or dealers or something like that, anything you can add. Address Bangalore. Okay, any address, any valid address you can give. Here credit days for purchase is 7 days. Okay, now okay, rear axle Tata 1312 pieces. Now what I have purchased, I have purchased 12 pieces, but this part number can be different. PF 1010458 HX, something, any name you can give, any valid name. Now what is the price of this axle is 2500. Now it has come with a lower price. This is the purchase price. Okay, and this is the purchase price. Okay, now I'm going to add a sales invoice. Administration, here modify what I want to modify. Yes, F10 calculator, 1015 divided by 6, 2.5. Okay, quit. I wanted to check what was the sales price. 2500. Okay. Now I'm going to add a sales invoice, maybe on the same date or maybe on the different date, but not lesser than that, because the quantity goes, if you go lesser date, then the quantity goes negative. Here I'm going to I have pressed F3 and I'm going to create a customer. Any customer, any name, whatever the name you want to give, you can give. Ganesh Road Lines, sundry debtor, opening balance if you want to have, you can have. Shimoga is my district, but here I have mentioned it as in BR. It's okay. Anyway, it's a demo and doesn't going to affect anything more. This default sales price I have mentioned here. See, the batch mode is KRZ. Batch mode here is KRZ. This is what it is showing. Quit. See, I'm going to, what is the batch here? PF something, I think. I'm going to add an invoice here. 7/1/2025. The sale type is local item wise. Here Ganesh Road Lines, and rear axle just one piece. Here batch, see, I got two batches. Now we got the one more batch, and I'm going to select this. Okay. Now I'm going to save this. This one. This is rounded off. I'm going to add it manually. As it is being a demo, I have not set it to automatic. Okay, standard invoice. Okay. Now sales done. So after that I'm going to display. Now I'm going to create a query, and its name is, so I'm thinking profit. Now I'm going to write select, it is EM version, EC version, top one, T3 dot value 1, T3 dot value 1, value 3, sorry, comma, T4 dot value 3 from tran 3 as T3, comma tran 3 as T4, tran 3, comma tran 3 as T4. I'm going to add, I'm going to make a self join now. T3 dot where T3 dot T3 dot master code 1 is equal to T4 dot master code 1. I mean to say, you have to take a same item. You have to take not a same item. You have to take same item, and T3 dot number is equal to T4 dot number, because number, the column number now here contains batch. बैच तो सेम ही होना है, जो परचेज किया है उसी बैच का सेल होना है. सी वट एवर आई हैव परचेस्ड and that purchase is coming out with a certain batch number, and the sales what I have done should have the same batch number. Here it has not come, and here it has not come. Now why it has not come? See, because here T3 dot SR number should be equal to T4 dot SR number. This is the modification that I need to do in my query, because both should have same serial number. Now see, now I got a value, whatever I got. See here 3107.750 as my sales rate, sales price, minus of that T4 dot value 3 is nothing but my purchase rate. So now I'm going to run this query. When I run, see, per piece I got 675 rupees margin. This is what the margin I got. Now I'm going to write, and T3 dot voucher code is equal to T3 dot master code 1 is equal to. Now I'm going to write select T2 dot tran. No, tran is not going to work now here, because tran2 dot master code 1. Yes, it's going to work from tran2 as from tran2, where tran2 dot voucher code is equal to voucher code is equal to voucher code and tran2 dot SR number is equal to item SR number. I am pushing that to next line. Here I am going to add, and tran2 dot rect type voucher type is equal to 9, and tran2 dot rect type is equal to 2. Rect type is equal to 2. That you can write query with capital letters also. Writing query with the capital letter or small letter doesn't make any difference. That makes no difference. Now this I am going to take it in my invoice design. I want to take that value in my invoice design. Here A5, just I am going to show you, because see, party asked me and he wanted me to make a consultation. So this video is very small. I have not shown him any invoice design, because he said he knows invoice design everything. Whatever the value that comes out as a profit, that he want to show that profit in invoice design. So I said okay, I can do that. It's just simple. See here, comma, profit, comma, Tolu 10.2. So now instead of Tolu 10.2, if you add more and more item, no, I should go to sales invoice. Now I have to prefer. See, there are two sales invoices. Here is one with the same batch number. The previous invoice is not. See here, you see, instead of okay, there in the invoice, here see transaction. So I'm going to see it at display profit. This is what is written. I'm going to add everything here, copied everything here. I'm going to create a new query, and that is called SP. Okay, see, in the SP I have just pasted the query. Now I'm going to alter the query. Here I'm going to add I have removed that T3 dot voucher code is equal to at the rate voucher code. It will at the rate voucher code at the rate P1. What is this I'm going to do? So that will not work. T3 dot voucher code is equal to at the rate voucher code at the rate custom column. No, that will not work. No guys, it's actually absolutely wrong. It will not work. Somehow I have made a mistake here. Anyway, I'm going to show you now that voucher code at the voucher code, when I have taken it as a parameter, input parameter, that even if you have 30 or 40 items, every item will be having the value of first serial number. Whatever the value that comes at the serial number 1, that will be reflected on all remaining 39 items in case of 40 items. The voucher code is at the rate voucher code. That is just being used to reflect very minimum properties such as e-way bill number or some mobile number or due date or something like that. It is for a minimum application. Here in the body I'm going to take SQL query number, and that is SP, save field. Okay, here now if we look at the custom query here, batch profit, that has not come. Now I have to go back to query SP. I have to remove that order by, and then top one I have to remove that top one also I should have to remove now here. And okay, now see after removing that, see, this is now the query is perfect. I happen to remove that top one and order by date descending. After removing that, the query has become perfect. The query has become perfect. Now I have shown, see, in that list actually whatever the value that has come as 675 rupees per piece, that is because, see, you have done some purchases. So according to whatever the batch you done, whatever the batch was there in the purchase, a similar batch has come in the sales. So as a result, it has come like that. See, this is rear teeth 3-inch Tata 1210 AC. What is that? DS. That is, DS is make का मतलब brand. So group, it comes under the group propulsion shaft parts. Now as usual, tax category under 18%. Same here, unit pieces, quantity, whatever the opening quantity you have, you can mention here. See, now I am going to expiry month as 3 months, and I am going to save it. See, say I am going to save it here to, so batch number, see this, here I am going to put a batch number as Excel batch, something like that, Excel batch 1, any batch number, any valid batch number, whatever that you have with your item, you can enter in. You can enter with that Excel batch 1, 2 pieces, March 2025. Here purchase rate 1400, it's not 1400. Okay, here as a sample, and I'm going to add modify on the same invoice. I'm going to add rear teeth I have added. Okay, Now let us check. Here in this case, actually one of my item goes minus 1000. That's because some mistake I have done. So while entering or calculating the Excel, see jack value correct 405 rupees. See flywheel ring profit 120 rupees. When you sell the same item which has come under the purchase invoice, and if you sell the same batch number, then you can see with this coding you can see the profit. In this particular case, Excel say I made a mistake, so I'm not going to rectify that mistake now. At present I'm not going to rectify that, just I'm showing you the theory, that's all. Here I'm going to show you the theory. But anyway, some mistake has happened, so no, it's not saved. See here I have not saved it, that's why I'm going to have the same effect. See again, see I have not saved it, that's why it has come.